Ever wanted to catch a sneaky moment or keep an eye on things when you're not around? Here's how to create a DIY spy camera in just 10 minutes, using stuff you probably already have at home. First, dig out that old smartphone you no longer use. Make sure it's charged up and has a working camera. If it's been sitting around for a while, you might need to update the software. Next, head to the App Store and download a security camera app like Alfred or Manything. These apps are user-friendly and let you stream live video, record footage, and even send alerts if they detect motion. Now it's time to find the perfect hiding spot. Think creatively. A potted plant, a bookshelf, or even behind a picture frame can work wonders. Position the phone so it has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Once it's set up, open the app and configure it to start recording. Make sure to connect the phone to Wi-Fi for remote access. This way you can check the live feed from another device, whether it's your current phone or a tablet. Before wrapping up, do a quick test run. Use another device to check the live feed and ensure everything is working smoothly. Adjust the angle if needed to capture the best view. And there you have it, a quick and easy DIY spy camera ready to catch all the action. Just remember to use it responsibly and respect privacy. Whether it's for monitoring pets, keeping an eye on packages, or just for fun, this simple project can be a game changer.